am here at 5906 Hinds Stone. This is the Lombardi. It's the larger home floor plan. This one is currently listed at $267,500 and it's going to be done the end of May. So I'm going to see. It's not an easy one to get into. So let me see if we can make the trek up here. Okay, so just to remind you, this one is a 5-bedroom. Okay, so you first walk in, and right here on the right, the nice large dining room. You can tell that's really not what the color looks like. Let me come more over here. Okay, that's a little bit better. Front of the window. Really pretty wide plank floors. So I'm in the dining room right now. I'm gonna walk into the kitchen. Let me see. No light switches yet, so you'll have to kind of imagine, but I'm sort of going the back way. In fact, let me just walk around. It's easier to tell if I walk from the front door. Okay, so walking from the front door, over here is your garage. 2 steps in from the garage. There's the water heater. And it looks like it's pre-plumbed again for a water softener, which is nice. That's usually what that little hoop is. Okay, and then over here, I wish I had lights for you. Whoop. Okay, tile floors here. It has this hopscotch pattern, which is cute. So it's not, it's kind of uneven on purpose. I love it. It's really cute. Okay, behind, oh, I get it. Okay. This is the garage door. This is the door to the laundry room. So you're gonna kind of have to envision with me. But there is some space here when you walk in the laundry. And to the right, there's where your washer and dryer go. Okay, then here's their stairs. Coming back out, again, to give you orientation, front door, dining room. And then here is the half bath. This one has white cabinets again. Okay, so then we walk straight ahead. Here's the kitchen on the right and the living room here on the left. And I'm actually gonna stand in the living room, sorry it's so dark, to show you the kitchen. So really good big kitchen here. Love that white subway tile. Darker granite in this one. Whoops, there we go. But it looks great with the white cabinets and the floors and everything. Yeah, really pretty. So your stove and microwave and everything will go there. And then your refrigerator will go there. And back here, remember that's the dining room. This is your laundry room. So let me just back up a little. So it's smaller pantry. Did I say laundry room? I'm sorry, pantry. Gosh, you guys, I'm so sorry. Pantry. Smaller, but it's still, you know, it's decent size. And what's great about this one is even though there is a smaller pantry, you have a ton of cabinet space. I would say this whole little area is extra compared to the other house, maybe even a little bit more than that. Okay, there's our cabinets. And then here is where your sink and dishwasher are, kind of at the breakfast bar overlooking the living room. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the backyard, which is a little bit unique in this house. Okay, so it's funny. All of these backyards have, on this little road, have these stairs and kind of a retaining wall. So you would own that strip of land up there as well, up to the back fence, but you have kind of an extra little area, which seems strange, but you still have like all of this flat, bigger area if you wanted to do like a swing set or something. But I've been in some other houses lately that had this little strip up top, and it's actually nice. I would rather have it be 2 different levels like this than just have like a big steep hill. And it was really cute. In one of the houses that I went to recently, they had cleared all of this out up here and they had put in a little bit of like turf, fake grass. And they had like a seating area on one side, and then on the other side they had this big strip of turf and a soccer goal, and their kids would go play soccer up there, which I thought was such a cute idea. And because nobody really wants to carry a lawnmower upstairs to mow, but if you could leave it rustic like this, or you could do something like that. So anyway, and I actually don't even know what they'll do, if they'll put grass up there. I kind of doubt it though. I think they'll probably just keep the grass down here, meaning they, the builder. So, but then this one has a big side yard too. And it's kind of like right on this corner road. So anyway, so big side yard, not as big of a backyard. It's definitely not, let me see, I'm at the back door. This part is pretty small, but you have a good chunk of space right there. And you have a good size covered patio. Let me back up to show you. It's like a big, big square, probably 10 by 10 maybe? Yeah, that's kind of my guess. So, okay, coming back in, whoops, back into the living room. Let's walk over here to the master. So this is so funny. They put in a little miniature door. I'll show you. Okay, little half door. There's a regular door. It's like a 2/3 door. But this is an awesome storage room. And to be quite honest, you know what I would do with this if I bought this house? If, I had storage space to spare, I would turn this into like a little kids hangout reading nook, or hide toys in there, and it would be awesome. You could make it so cute, and the kids would think it was the greatest thing ever. Okay, so this is coat closet right outside the master. Okay, oh goodness, why is it so dark? There we go. Okay, so again, you kind of have those pretty ceilings, really good size master. Really, really big. And then here's the master bath. Again, white cabinets. And your hopscotch floors. It's pretty gray tones. And then here, the builders really make it nasty, but don't worry, they clean up so well. Window above your bathtub. Toilet, just like normal size room. And then there's your shower right here. And it's gonna be dark, but here's your closet. And I'm gonna stand over here and see if you can kind of tell. So there's the door, goes here. Then you have your 2 levels back there, and then another single level all the way there. So another really good sized closet. Whoops. Sorry, I'm trying to make it not so dark. So there are some definite floor plan or benefits of this floor plan. I would say the biggest feature is probably this awesome kitchen. And of course, that there's a 5th bedroom. So I don't know how important that is to you or not. Obviously, you don't necessarily need to have everyone have their own rooms, but if that is something that would be helpful for you guys, it's kind of nice to have the option. Okay, so you sacrifice a little bit of your square footage from this loft area, but it's still really good size. I mean, it's still plenty big. Try to give you an idea. But instead of having just a hallway up here with all the bedrooms, they're kind of on all the sides of this playroom, game room area. So here's the stairs, and just to the right of it, the top of the stairs, if you turn right, we're gonna call this bedroom 1. So window, just I would say average size bedroom, but really big, deep, deep closet. And again, there's your attic access for a little bit of, if you want, I mean, obviously there's all the insulation and everything in there, but I'm sure you could do a little bit of storage down there if you wanted to. Of course, the builder will never recommend that, but you can. You just don't want to walk through the floor, through the ceiling, I'm sorry. Okay, so then here's the bathroom here, right across. You can see sink there, toilet there, and shower kind of behind the door. So good sized bathroom. Coming back out, there's the loft. That was bedroom 1 and the stairs. Here's bedroom 2. Ooh, this is a really big room. Okay. 1 window. I know it's so hard to tell, but here's the closet. And then there's the door. But this is super big. 2 kids could for sure share that room if that's something you want. Okay, and then coming back around, we're gonna call this bedroom 3 and 4. Obviously master, not including the master. Okay, this bedroom is on the front of the house, so it's nice and bright, big windows. This is perfect. You can kind of see the corner that the street is on. There. Okay, so yeah, really bright bedroom. Here's the closet. A little bit bigger than bedroom 2's closet. And then here is bedroom 4. Another super, super bright room. And another good size room. So I would say in this house, you might sacrifice a tiny bit of the game room space for slightly bigger bedrooms. And then another really, really big walk-in closet. And it has a window. Yeah, I mean, let's compare square footage of this one. Let me see. 2539 versus the Walsh, which is 2323. So about 200 extra square feet, which is essentially a bedroom. So that's where you get the five bedrooms. But also really big dining room in this one too. Possibly, I would say it's probably a slightly smaller living room. Well, maybe just slightly smaller. It could also be that the ceilings don't go as high, but another really great option.